Hi guys, it's Vlogmas day number 4. My channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Altea, and this year I am doing daily Vlogmas. So I'm very thankful that you have joined me today. Today is Sunday and it is family day, so I will just be taking with me to crochet the next square for today. I've just seen the pattern and it's as beautiful as the others, and I'm really looking forward for the final result. If you are enjoying Vlogmas, I hope that you will subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when my next video is up, which will be tomorrow. And let me know which part of this Vlogmas series is your favorite. I've been enjoying very much the gifts that came with every box. So far we have the 4mm hook, 3.5mm hook, and this amazing, never seen before, scissors. And also these are the squares which are now blocked. Let's get on to the fourth. hope you have been enjoying these Vlogmas videos, and I hope you will enjoy the remaining Vlogmas series. I wish you a wonderful time with you and your family. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. I would really appreciate any kind of comments.